to save and earn tax-free returns. Yan ang
Wow.
purpose niyan.
Okay. Ano, when I heard tax-free, you got my attention right away. Okay.
Oo, correct.
Paano naging tax-free yan?
Um, Government guarantee. Since it's backed by the Philippine government, it is considered a low-risk investment.
Okay.
Tax-free, the earnings are tax-exempt. Kasi nga, offered by the government.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Nandito naman po tayo sa ating palabas na 4H. That's Health, Happiness, Hope, and Humor. At dahil maraming nag-react sa kanyang mga pinaliwanag sa nakaraang episode natin sa episode 5, ay siya ay bumalik ngayon sa episode 7 na si Gani sana yung guest ko ngayon. Si Julie Miranda uli. Kasi nga, maraming gustong magtanong sa kanya sa comment section tungkol sa cryptocurrency, tungkol sa financial management. Pero ngayon, itutuloy natin ang ating palabas kasi meron siyang bagong gustong i-share sa ating grupo na ang tawag ay ang paghahambing or a comparison of mutual fund and MP2. So, let me allow Julie to once again introduce herself sa mga bago nating panauhin. Julie?
Hi, good evening sa mga listeners ng Southeast Asia Speakers and Trainers Bureau. And thank you once again for inviting me
Wala
to be
naman.
one of your guest speaker to talk about different issues in financial planning. By the way, I do estate planning, financial planning program, retirement planning program, business insurance, and keyman insurance. So I also help my clients, business owners, to do legacy planning for them.
Ba?
So every day I talk to different types of individual, families, or even companies, owners of the small, medium enterprise, and we talk about how they can preserve and conserve their estate, or even how to transfer their businesses to their children or to their heir. Yan. Yan yung mga pinag-uusapan namin lagi.
Ayan yung parang I think ang tawag dyan is generational wealth para meron tayong maipamana sa ating mga anak at sa mga apo. Ganyan kumbaga.
Correct.
No?
Yes.
So, Julie, simulan ka agad natin, no? Kasi exciting tong topic natin ngayon. Define muna natin, ano ba ibig sabihin ng mutual fund? Pagkatapos nun, anong ibig sabihin ng MP2? Kasi ako, ang alam ko lang MP5 or yung music o MP3. No? So,
yes.
simulan natin sa mutual fund. Ano ba yung mutual fund na yan?
Okay. I've started investing or became a certified investment solicitor. That means I can sell mutual funds to clients. I think way back to 2007 or 6, medyo matagal na rin. Almost 15 years ago, mga 17 years ago. You have to be certified to be able to sell that to your clients. Yon. And mutual funds are pooled investment. Para siyang you put them all together. It's a pooled investment vehicles that collect money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio. Portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. So they are managed by professional portfolio managers. Ito
tulad mo, no?
Well, I'm not a portfolio managers.
Oh, okay.
These fund managers are the ones who really manage your funds. Mga professional yan. Walang ginagawa yan kundi mag-invest, mag-diversify portfolio. I'm a seller. Parang as a certified investment solicitor, I solicit investment from my clients to invest to this basket of funds. So we have an idea what are the contents of the baskets, if it's government bonds or if it's equities, meaning corporate accounts or stock market or even the special baskets. Kasi merong special baskets like ESG fund, environmental, social governance. May mga ganong klaseng basket. In fact, there are so many baskets, but there are three main baskets, meaning the first basket is conservative funds, which is normally yung government bonds.
Okay.
Yung second basket is moderate funds, meaning that is 50% government bonds and 50% equities, which is corporate account. And then the third basket is the aggressive one. Ito yung mga stock market. So yun yung mga three major baskets. So there are variety of options. There are various types of mutual funds I mentioned to you a while ago. Ganon. May risk levels. Ang risk levels nila is depending on the type of mutual funds. The risk can range from low or high. Kasi yung government bonds is a low risk, while moderate is moderate. The word moderate is balance. And then, of course, the aggressive is 80% risk. And depending on the risk appetite of the client, we also have to, we also have to check the risk appetite of the client. Ganon.
Sa madaling salita, para sa mga nakikinig sa atin, pag sinabi kasi ni Julie na risk appetite, ibig sabihin ito yung willingness ng isang tao na magtiwala, no? Magkaroon ng faith sa kanyang fund manager. Kasi kung mahina yung tiwala mo, syempre hindi ilalagay ng fund manager mo yan sa isang very risky or volatile na investment. So ang sinasabi ni Julie na basket, by the way, I like the words you choose, no? Yung basket, no? Kasi parang ang ganda ng dating eh. Kasi ako inisip ko pag basket, yun yung makikita mo sa grocery, yung pag Pasko, di ba? Yung holiday basket, ganyan. Pero when you describe it as three separate baskets, it conjures up an image of desirability. Yung para bang gusto mo tuloy bumili ng ganun or mag-invest sa ganun. Ang ganda ng pagkakapili ng mga words na ginagamit sa investment pala. So, pag sinabing government bond, Julie, isa na dyan yung treasury bills.
Treasury bills, that's another basket.
Iba pa
Government bonds is just bonds.
Okay.
Ganon. So, treasury bills, treasury notes is another terms of investment. But it can be inside of that conservative basket. Conservative basket composed of government bonds, treasury bills, treasury notes, yung mga ganon.
Kasi yun yung mga tinatawag na slow burn. In other words, you're in it for the long term.
Long term, a little bit long, yes. More than 5 years. So, ganon siya. Ang key features ng mutual funds is diversification by pooling investments of mutual funds. Ganon siya. Kasi in that one basket alone, like pag sinabi mo conservative, may mix yan eh, mixes of mga bonds. Ganon siya.
Tinitimpla pala. Okay.
Yes. So, yan yung conservative basket na tinatawag.
So, ang nakukuha ko sa iyo, Julie, is para bang there is risk mitigation pag may diversification in a basket. So, hindi lang siya yung parang isang klase lang sa loob ng isang basket. Tama ba yung observation na yun?
Yes. In that one basket can be like conservative. Pag sinabi mo conservative, meaning it can earn 4 to 6% a year, better than the bank, you know?
Yep,
while moderate basket can earn around 6 to 8%, 8% to 10%. Moderate basket, that's a mix of government bonds or bonds with equities na yon. While the third basket is aggressive basket, which means it's kind of risk, but it depends to what's inside of the basket. There's a basket sa aggressive that has a 30 multinational like yan yung equity fund basket. Iba-iba yan eh in every mutual funds companies. Pero that aggressive funds, marami siyang basket inside of that basket.
So
Ganon.
maraming laman uli yan. So
Marami yung laman, hindi lang siya yung iisang laman. Basket talaga siya of funds.
but because it's risky, ang implication yan is more short term and more closely monitored. Parang siguro kasi volatile nga, ano?
Yes, you really have to check the up and down of the market. You don't have to change or switch the funds in a year kasi there's some years na kailangan mo talaga mag-switch ng funds from conservative to aggressive, from aggressive to moderate, ganyan. Naglalaro yan sa conservative to aggressive depending sa market. If you see the market is going down, you have to, for example, switch the funds para kasing may hawig yan sa stock market. Sa stock market, you buy and sell, right? Ganon. So, when it goes up, you have to sell. When it goes down, you have to buy. Parang ganon. Ito parang may hawig na ganon. But you don't normally do this every day. The stock market is a buy and sell every day. While mutual funds, a basket, can switch the funds pwedeng 3 to 4 times a year or twice a year lang. Or
okay,
sometimes you don't have to switch the funds at all. You just have to wait.
So yung movement niya is more moderate and spaced out.
Yes.
Hindi siya yung frequent na ginagalaw.
Okay. Hindi siya yon. Kasi nga there's a fund managers who manage the funds. That's why may bayad yan. Kasi you pay, it's a professional fees that you pay. No, there's a mutual funds, may charge management fee, sales charges, and other fees. But normally, napakaliit lang niya. Sometimes an entry fees or an exit fee. And sometimes there's only entry fee, no exit fee. May mga ganon. So it depends. But it's very, very small amount. Kasi after 1 year, parang hindi ka nagbayad ng service fee. Kasi bawi mo siya at the end of the year.
Okay. So, again, let me emphasize to our viewers what Julie is sharing with us. Ang kanyang inhiwatig sa atin lahat is something that will help your money wake up. In other words, hindi natutulog. Kasi pag nasa bangko lang or binaon nyo sa pader, walang nangyayari. Hindi kumikita. So, here, nagbibigay siya ng pagkakataon na maunawaan natin kung paano gisingin at buhayin yung kapasidad ng ating kayamanan na mas lumago. So, yung pala yung mutual funds. Okay.
Yes.
Can you give me an example, Julie, of somebody, kahit itago mo na lang yung pangalan, no? Pero somebody who over the years talagang mutual fund lang siya and somehow happy rin naman siya kahit na mutual fund lang kasi kahit papaano it made more money than say an account in the bank, no? Do you know somebody who's perfectly happy?
Yes, actually I just don't want to say few clients. I have hundreds of clients.
All right.
So that hundreds of clients, most of them are mutual funds. I started with mutual funds. I started with life insurance, actually. Then combine it with mutual funds so that there's an investment component in that life insurance during that time na wala pa siyang VUL. Kasi in the life insurance now, may VUL, Variable Universal Link. It's a mix of life insurance and investment. Yan yun. That's another side. Mutual funds is just purely investment. Ganon. So, clients of mine who started investing during that time, like 2005 or 6, 7, and then it went down in 2008 because of financial crisis. And then it went up again by 2009, 2010, 11, and so on. Then it went down again, the pandemic. No? So if you look at from 2004, when I started to really understand mutual fund, up to now, The best was when 2009, 2008, and 2020. That was the best time to
Mm.
invest because the net asset
Wow.
value per shares
Mm.
was low.
Mm. Okay.
This is comparable to unit UITF of the banks.
Mm.
If you go to the bank, there's a unit investment trust fund.
Mm.
But if you go to an investment house, there's a mutual funds. And if
Mm.
you go to an insurance company, there's a VUL. Pero VUL, ang difference niya is it has a life insurance component. Yan ang
Ba.
different types of investment in the
Mm.
Philippines so
Mm.
far. In terms of mutual funds, unit investment trust fund, yan yung comparison, yung tatlong yan. Actually, yan nga ang
Mm.
dapat nako-compare. Kaya lang
Mm.
recently, our government launched the MP2. So,
Oh.
nako-compare din siya ngayon sa MP2.
Mm.
Ganon. So, um, may hawig because sa mutual funds, that basket, yung conservative basket,
Mm.
ganon ang MP2. Conservative siya. Doon mo siya mako-compare. Ang
Let's
mutual
start
funds
with
kasi, yeah,
let's start with anong ibig sabihin ng MP2? Is that an acronym for something?
Modified Pag-ibig 2. Modified
Oh.
Pag-ibig 2. Yeah, it's a program, it's a government backed by it's a government backed program, savings program in the Philippines offered
Mm.
by the Pag-ibig Fund, Home
Okay.
Development Home Development Mutual Funds.
Mm.
So it is primarily designed to Filipino employees,
Okay.
self-employed individuals, and other members of the Pag-ibig Fund to
Mm.
save and earn tax-free returns. Yan
Wow.
ang purpose niyan.
Okay. When I heard tax-free, you got my attention right away. Okay.
Oo,
Paano
correct.
paano naging tax-free yan?
Um, Government guarantee. Since it's backed by the Philippine government, it is considered a low-risk investment.
Okay.
Tax-free, the earnings are tax-exempt. Kasi nga, offered by the government.
So
Yan.
incentive 'yun para yung taong bayan ay mag-invest sa
Correct.
sa
Oo.
gobyerno. Okay.
Oo, yan. So, yan yung MP2 naman. So, makikita mo yung comparisons nila, no? The
Mm.
key features of MP2 naman, the returns are typically higher than regular savings accounts, can range from 6 to 8% annually. So, mako-compare mo to sa government bonds or conservative basket ng mutual funds.
Not bad.
Diba? Yun.
Mm.
So, since government guarantee siya, it's backed up by the Philippine government, kaya low-risk investment siya.
Mm.
So, yung fixed term naman na MP2 has a 5-year term. Meron kasing short term, meron ding fixed term. Ang fixed term is 5-year term. But it
Okay.
is not mandatory to withdraw after the period. It can be rolled over.
Oh, okay.
Yan.
In
Ganon.
other words, tuloy-tuloy lang kasi
Continue
very
lang.
secure siya. Oo.
Yes.
So, Julie, itong MP2, notwithstanding that it's a government-offered investment tool or investment package, is not affected by, say, changes in kung sino man ang nakaupo sa Malacanang, halimbawa. This is
Um,
something that's unaffected by that?
a little bit. Hindi
A little.
masyado.
Okay.
May ang effect ng market economy of what's going on, for example, in the US, sa
Yeah.
Philippines, president, or mga politics, or may changes din yan. Konting-konti. Unlike kapag stock market yan, ang laki ng ano yan, ng low ng baba or akyat ng market.
Yes.
So merong ganon, may effect din siya. Although sa government bonds kasi, hindi masyado kasi government bonds yan eh. Meron kasi siyang fixed return eh. May pinag-uusapan kayong pag after 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years, may fixed talaga siya. Kaya may kita siya. Ganon.
Kaya pala sinabi mo kanina, it's part of the conservative basket. In other words, low risk siya for those who are risk averse. and yet it will perform much better than a bank account, no?
Yes,
Mm,
oo.
mm.
So, ganun yan.
Mm.
And ang minimum investment lang yan, you can start investing with a minimum amount of 500 pesos lang.
Not bad. That's
Yes.
affordable
Ang
by
mutual funds
anybody.
is,
Mm-mm.
yeah, ang mutual funds is 1,000.
Okay. Mm.
So, it's nice to start, especially for the children, yung
Mm-mm.
mga anak natin na nakaka-receive ng mga Christmas gift pag
Oh,
Christmas.
yes.
Yeah, you start them with mutual funds.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Actually, I'm a more of a mutual fund person kasi diyan ako
Mm.
nag-umpisa eh. Then after that, I began to understand stock market. Yan, yan. Tapos recently na lang yung forex at saka cryptocurrency. But
Mm.
I'm more of stock market and mutual funds.
Alam mo,
Ganun.
ngayon naiintindihan ko na kung paano you have, as you mentioned kanina, hundreds of clients sa mutual fund. Kasi nga, imagine if you had to constantly monitor changes happening in the stock market or the commodities market. Kailan ka natutulog? Kailan ka nakakapagpahinga? Kasi kung ang dami-dami mong inalagaan, ang daming magagalit pagka sinabi, oh, ba't hindi mo binenta? Ba't hindi ka bumili? Ganun. So,
Ang,
makukulit sila.
yeah. Ang nagmamanage are the fund managers. We are just
Mm.
the solicitor. Kaya nga, certified
Oh,
investment solicitor.
so meron
We,
palang hierarchy yan.
yes, kami
Mm-mm.
yung we can sell the mutual funds to our
Mm-mm.
clients and then bring them to a mutual funds house. Parang ganon. So
Mm.
kami yung nagsusolicit. But we need to have a license for that. Not everybody can do that. Not everybody can sell kasi we have to understand the risk profile of our clients. We are the only one who can understand our clients and we can suggest, but the clients will decide
Mm-mm.
based on the risk profile questionnaire. From
Mm.
the risk profile questionnaire, we can find out kung ano ba yung magiging basket nila. Makikita mo dun eh, ay conservative to. So ilalagay
Mm-mm.
mo siya sa conservative basket, kung moderate siya ba or aggressive siya. Ganon.
Mm. Okay.
So yeah, there's
Ngayon,
a risk profile that we can ask para alam namin kung saan ilalagay yung funds of the clients.
I see. So, Julie, I think I now have a better understanding kasi nung una, for example na lang, no, Sun Life or Ayala Life or Manulife, they just called themselves that. Pero napapansin ko na over time, nagbabago yung mga pangalan nila eh, like Sun Life Financial, Manulife, no, Financial, Ayala Life Financial. So, ibig sabihin, does this make them companies that are also entering
No,
the
they are life insurance. They're different.
so
Life insurance
okay.
company, they can only sell the VUL, variable universal life, meaning it's a life insurance with investment component. Ito, what we're
Ah,
discussing is mutual fund. Para
okay.
itong, ang VUL kasi para siyang pinag-asawang life insurance and mutual
Investment.
funds.
Okay. Mutual fund.
Pinag-asawang dalawang yan, naging VUL, naging Variable Universal Life in
Oh.
the life insurance company. So,
Mm.
ang life insurance company can sell VUL, which is life with investment,
Mm.
while investment house is mutual fund lang. And the bank is UITF, Unit Investment Trust Fund. Yan yung
Okay.
tatlong magkaka-compete when it comes to that kind of investment.
And yet, when they compete, meron din silang particular na niche, no? Like, halimbawa, sabi mo nga, yung mga life insurance companies, nagkataon lang na may sinali silang component na ganyan, no? Pero
Yes.
yung mga mutual fund houses, specific sila sa pagmamanage ng mga mutual funds. And then the other one that you mentioned, again, they have their own niche. But yes, they compete kasi they're still after the same market. In other words, the people who want to invest their money.
Correct. Correct.
Mm.
Yan.
Ah,
Ang dapat ma-compare or
mm,
somehow mako-compare mo is mutual funds,
mm.
unit investment trust fund, mutual
Okay.
funds, investment house, unit
Okay.
investment trust fund from the banks.
Oh,
Life insurance is VUL.
okay.
Life insurance plus VUL.
Mm,
MP2 is our government offered funds
mm,
na kaya siya nako-compare sa mutual funds is ang MP2 lang naman is conservative eh.
mm.
Yun lang. Wala naman siyang stock market eh. Wala siyang equity
Ah,
fund. Wala siyang
okay.
equity fund.
Mm.
Yan. So, ganun siya.
So it sounds like it's something ideal for those who are very risk averse kasi nga hindi siya nakatali sa stock market where volatility is just a part of its character, no? So
Correct.
ito very very stable siya. Mhm.
Yes.
So in terms of market reaction, Julie, kumusta naman? Maganda ba yung reaction ng mga tao sa MP2?
Actually, I don't know about MP2 because I have not tried the MP2. I
Oh,
only
okay.
found out that what they have, no?
Mm-mm.
You can invest in MP2, yes, but I'd rather know where to. Kasi mas alam ko kasi ang mutual funds eh. Than
Okay.
MP2. Para
Mm-mm.
lang naman, ang MP2 kasi sa akin, para siyang government basket, para siyang conservative basket for me.
Mm-mm.
So, ganun lang siya. Um, Limited din ang kanyang return. Kaya siya
Oo.
popular kasi the masses can understand the pag-ibig funds
Yes,
or
they
this
yeah.
kind of investment.
Mm.
Yun, naintindihan nila. Hindi nila masyado naintindihan ng mutual funds. Ang
Mm,
mutual
mm,
funds is diversified. Tatlong
mm,
basket yan. Tatlong major basket,
mm.
which I
Tsaka
mentioned kanina.
at saka nakikita ko sa sinasabi mo, each type, no, will require a certain level of sophistication or certification. In other words, hindi lang basta kahit sino-sino ang pwedeng mag-offer nun. Siguro ikaw, ang dami mong pinag-aralan at mga certification na naidagdag or you really had to study for this, no, before you got your license, right?
Yes, we have to go to SEC. We have to take the exam. May aral
Oh,
talaga siya.
mm,
Bago ka maging CIS, may aral siya. May license siya,
mm,
like life insurance, there's two
yeah.
license.
Mm,
O, like this one, may licenses din siya.
mm.
Ganon. I
So,
also became an RFP, Registered Financial Planner.
mm,
I'm also an Associate Financial Planner. I'm a Chartered Wealth Planner. I'm a
nice.
Legacy Planner. I'm an
Oo.
Estate, because I have been doing this for the last 20 years. So,
Oh,
yon, ganon. Natutunan ko na, and I'm always handling the people's money. Kumbaga,
mm,
I learn all of this from my clients' money.
mm. Pero
Ganon.
buti naman hindi mo na lang dinagdag sa dulo ng pangalan mo kasi minsan pag marami ng mga certification ng mga tao, kita mo, ito yung pangalan niya pero ang dami mga alphabet letters na karugtong, no?
Yeah, yeah, I do that.
Ay,
Nilalagay ko
oh,
siya sa aking email. Nandun sa baba yung accreditation ko.
okay. And those who are knowledgeable when they see those
Yes,
titles, those acronyms, they know what it means.
they know what it means.
Mm, I see. Okay. So, by the way, alam mo para sa mga panauhin natin, dahil sa huling interview ko kay Julie, natukso ako eh. Sinubukan ko yung crypto. Laro lang. Try ko
Yes.
sa GCash. Sinimulan ko sa 200. Bumili ako ng ton. Tapos, I watched within a week, it
How is it?
swivel up and down until it became, yung 200 ko naging 219. So, like, tuwang-tuwa ako. Sabi ko, wow,
Ah,
okay to ha. Wala pang isang linggo, 219 ka agad. So, lumakas loob ko, nagdagdag ako ng 400. Pero kinalat ko yung isang 200 Ethereum. Tapos yung isang 200 TRX. Ayan.
wow.
So,
Natututo ka na.
diniversify ko. Pero Julie, ito yung napansin ko. Nung diniversify ko siya, from the 219, it went down. In other words, parang napansin ko, may averaging na nangyayari. So,
We can
hindi,
talk about that next time kasi
yeah,
critical
oh,
yan eh.
oh,
Yeah,
but,
ngayon pag-usapan muna natin yung difference, the key
mm,
differences about mutual funds at saka
totoo.
MP2.
Pero
Ganon.
ang point ko lang, Julie, is that,
Oo.
wag naman matakot yung mga tao kasi there is, you know, patikim lang yun eh. So, tinry ko. But eventually, I will be seeking the services of a proper mutual fund manager. So, yan, mag-uusap tayo pagkatapos ng show, no? Kasi gusto ko yung, ah, parang ayoko sa moderate kasi para bang masyadong matatakotin yun eh. Lalo na,
I will only find out when you answer the risk profile questionnaire.
okay. So, kailangan dumaan muna sa ganyan, no? May
Yes,
proseso
dadaan
pala
ka doon
talaga.
para alam mo.
Mm,
Malalaman namin if you're conservative, moderate ka ba,
mm.
risk
Or
ano ka
aggressive.
ba, or
Mm,
aggressive ka, ganon. So, I'll
mm,
tell you the
mm.
difference between the two kasi kino-compare nila. Pero
Okay.
dapat na hindi eh. It just happened na one basket of mutual funds can be compared to MP2.
Mm,
So, yung key difference nila is MP2 is a low risk. Government
mm.
backup investment siya, while mutual funds carry varying degrees of risk depending on the types of fund. That is yung minention ko kaninang equity fund or bond fund. Yan.
Mm,
So, ang return potential naman ng MP2 offers fixed returns that are
mm.
generally lower
Mm.
than the potential returns of high-risk mutual funds but are more stable. See, yung mga ganon.
Oh. Mm.
Tapos, liquidity-wise, MP2 has a 5-year term whereas
Mm.
mutual funds can be liquidated, bought or sold at any time. Yan. Ganun ang
That's
difference
a key
yan.
difference, no? Mm.
And diversification, mutual funds naman provide diversification across different assets like
Mm.
yun nga, which I mentioned, kung conservative government bonds, kung moderate ka, mix yan of government bonds and equity fund.
Mm.
And kung aggressive ka, equity fund, meaning mga stock market, corporate accounts yan.
Mm.
Yan. So, while MP2 is a more straightforward government savings program with a fixed return.
Mm.
Parang isang basket lang siya ng mutual funds, which is the conservative basket, na
Ah.
almost pareho sila ng return, 6 to 8% annual.
Mm.
While moderate can earn 8 to 10%, while aggressive can earn 10 to 15%.
Ba?
During the 2009 pala,
Mm.
2009, 2010, it went as high as 45% to
Holy.
55%.
Talaga naman, ano.
I
Kung
want to answer pala your question kanina kasi you said
mm.
kung happy sila, no? Yes,
Mm.
I have clients who's been there for 5, 10, 15, 20
Mm.
years. Sometimes they withdraw, sometimes they leave, sometimes they switch the funds. Actually, I do switch the funds. I talk to them if when we review.
Mm.
Uh, Tinitignan ko rin kung nasan na sila in terms of their status in life, kung sila ba is single pa rin,
Ah. Mm.
couple ba sila, yung anak nila malalaki na, pa-retire na
Mm.
ba sila.
Mm.
We have to find out also the status in life para malaman natin kung ililipat ko ba to sa government bonds, iiwan ko lang ba to sa equity funds, kasi malikot ang equity funds eh. So I review with them once or twice a year.
Mm.
Diba?
Mm.
So kung marami sila, which I'm handling actually many of them, so volume yun of accounts to
Mm.
mutual funds.
Wow. All
Ganon.
right. So this goes back to the value of getting all those certifications kasi in other words, marami kang konsiderasyon na tinitingnan bago ka magbigay ng payo na dapat dagdagan natin ng ganito or tanggalin na lang natin ito, palitan natin, gano'n, no?
Yes,
And,
correct, correct.
and then there are some people who will just say, Julie, wag natin galawin, let it roll.
Correct,
Let just,
meron.
may mga ganun din, no? Ah,
Yes.
alam mo yung paborito kong kwento mo, yung katulong na napagpaaral niya yung anak niya
Oh
na
yeah, that's Miss
nakapag-college,
Teresa.
si Teresa. Oh.
Mm.
Kumusta na si Teresa ngayon?
She already have a sari-sari store.
Ayun, kita mo naman.
Yes, first napag-aral niya yung panganay niya.
Mm,
And then the rest of the money they put up in a sari-sari store. So
Okay.
yung store na yun na yung nakakapag-provide sa kanilang daily living with the rest of the kids. Di ba, widow siya?
Yun na nga, oo. So,
Yes.
ay, ang gandang balita niyan kasi, it means,
Hindi
no?
lang isa, marami silang mga domestic helper kasi
Mm-mm.
akala nila I only cater to the rich one.
Mm.
Mix yun, extreme. Merong domestic helper, merong rank and file, supervisory, managerial,
Mm-mm.
executive, business
Mm-mm.
owners, or even the multi-millionaire
Mm-mm.
clients. Yun.
Wow. So, ito yung Julie na once you enter into an agreement or a contract with, say, a client, pag-uusapan nyo ngayon kung ano yung frequency nung kanilang paglagay ng seed money, no? Like, is it once a month? Is it once a week? Tsaka kung magkano? So, parang ang dinig ko sa'yo, very flexible siya. Tulad nga nun ni Teresa, nagsimula siya sa 500, tapos naging 1,000, 1,000. So, kung meron
You can
tayo
start
dyan,
big naman. If you have capital, for example, you have a 1 million peso right now.
wow.
We can
Okay.
give you a quarterly rate of return ng 15,000 every quarter for life
Not
or
bad.
even higher. So
Mm-mm.
depending on the basket, that's a conservative basket.
Mm.
So kung meron kang yeah, like I have this client, no, 20 million because nagkaroon siya ng sale sa lupa. She
Yes.
sold a lot, a
Mm-mm.
farm lot.
Mm-mm.
So the 20 million she invested.
Mm-mm.
So she's getting like 300,000 every quarter or more. So
Buhay
ano
na
pa
siya doon.
gagawin niya sa
Mm-mm.
kanyang retired na siya, 'di ba? Ang galing, no?
Mm-mm.
And maintain niya pa yung kanyang capital.
Mm. I'm assuming yung mga anak niya siguro malaki na, may mga kanya-kanyang
Yes,
buhay.
kasi
So,
retired na siya eh.
huhulaan ko, Julie, siguro nagta-travel na lang to. Nag-enjoy na lang ng
Yeah, nag-enjoy
buhay.
na lang siya. Actually, nag-enjoy na lang.
Oh, that's good. At least the twilight years doesn't have to be sad, lonely, or boring. And then hiring mutual fund managers and finding people like you na investment consultants can help them achieve their dreams.
Yes, because you have to really find out also a short-term, mid-term, and long-term range. You
Mm-mm.
have to be familiar with that. At first, I didn't know, but I learned along the way, no, as I continue to understand mutual funds, stock market, even yon. Ang
Mm-mm.
forex and crypto are very aggressive. So ibang klasing ano yon, ibang klasing laro yon. Ibang
Mm-mm.
klasing game yon. Yung
Mm-mm.
you have to really understand because you can lose. Pwede kang malugi talaga dun sa
Mm-mm.
forex at saka sa cryptocurrency na
Mm-mm.
investment. But mutual funds, stock market, it can stay. Pwede. Mas stable ang mutual funds kasi may fund
Mm-mm.
managers talagang ano dyan nagmamanage.
Mm-mm.
So for the last 10, 5, 10, 15, 20 years, your
Mm-mm.
money can stay there
And,
na it can
and
earn for you.
and be very safe, in other words. Mm-mm.
Yes, oo.
Okay, okay. Wow. At saka, pag tinitinan kita, parati ka nakangiti kasi. So, I can tell na being a fund manager is not as stressful as, for example, somebody who is in the stock market na, kasi may pinsan ako dati na, ano siya commodities broker.
Mahirap yon.
He was one of the most stressed out persons I know.
Pagka stock market broker ka or commodity broker ka or
Mm-mm.
even forex,
Mm-mm.
stressful kasi they have to think of your basket. They
Mm-mm.
have to understand exactly what's going on inside.
Mm-mm.
Even our fund managers, stressful yon kasi yun ang ginagawa nila araw-araw.
Mm-mm.
What we do only is we understand the basket, we understand the value, yung system, pero hindi kami nagmamanage. There's a
Mm-mm.
professional manager talaga. So
Ah.
kami lang yung nagsasuggest, kami lang nag-i-inform sa clients, this is how the market works, this is how mutual funds, this is the
Mm-mm.
this kind of conservative basket, aggressive man yan. So, ini-explain namin yon. Where
Mm-mm.
would you want to invest?
Mm-mm.
And then, of course, we listen from the fund managers who
Mm-mm.
give us advice or we give us information and we relay it to our clients.
Mm.
Ganon.
And I guess the reason why you can more or less guarantee a good return kasi pag marami kang nakuhang mga investors, malaki yung capital mo for investment. So pag malaki yung capital mo for investment, everybody who participated in that uh, benefits.
Yeah, imagine
Mm-mm.
mo ha, if you're going to invest alone, mag-isa ka lang going to, let's say, Philippine Stock Exchange house,
Mm-mm.
you use your 100,000, you can only buy a few shares
Yep.
of Jollibee, for example,
Yes.
or McDonald's.
Mm-mm.
Ilang shares lang yun. While if you go to mutual funds, UITF, or
Mm-mm.
even BUL, you can invest in a basket of funds.
You?
So yung 100,000 mo, mabibiling shares or units in that
Mm-mm.
basket. Then
Mm-mm.
it can earn depending on the market. It can go down, it can go up. You
Mm-mm.
just have to stay pag bumaba siya.
Mm-mm.
So parang ganun siya, hindi siya yung short term. May
Mm-mm.
short term, may mid-range term,
Mm-mm.
meron din siyang long term. So depending on the age pa rin. If
Mm-mm.
my clients are young, I gave them a basket of equity fund. Pag
Mm-mm.
medyo older yan, I gave them the conservative basket.
Mm-mm.
Kasi
Mm-mm.
they cannot stay long because of the time. Kulang
Yun
sa
na nga.
time.
Oo nga, kasi kung medyo matanda na, andyan na yung YOLO, you only live once, and
Yes,
you may not be around very long. So,
very long. We just have to maximize putting it in a government bonds or that kind
mm,
of baskets that can earn a little bit, at least kahit papano.
mm.
Diba?
You know, maganda tong mga na-share mo sa ating mga panauhin ngayong gabi, Julie, kasi this is a good companion piece to the one we started doon sa episode 5, no? Um, Meron akong idea. Meron kasi akong na-meet na expert siya sa, ang tawag nun, spot trading. I think she called it that, no? Then there is somebody who's an expert also sa crypto naman. She does nothing but crypto.
Wow.
Are you
I
open to
have
the
a guru
idea?
friend who's into
Ayun.
crypto. I'm also learning from him.
Yun. Would you be interested, for example, kung maiput together ko to, tapos maging kasama ka sa panel, ako yung magmo-moderate, tapos tatlo kayong magkakasama sa...
Yes, that would be interesting. I
Masaya
love.
siguro yun.
Yeah, I'm going to learn from them.
Mm. Tapos gusto ko ring ibanggit na para sa ating mga panauhin, kung gusto nyong mangyari ang napag-usapan namin ni Julie na tatlo sila, no? Pag-uusapan yung mga tatlong klaseng pamamaraan ng pag-invest. Again, borrowing Julie's words, conservative or moderate to aggressive. Mag-iwan naman kayo ng mga comments sa comment section para malaman natin kung ito'y gusto nyo rin. Kasi kung gusto nyo, I will make it happen para lahat tayo makinabang at matuto. So, in behalf of the show, 4H, ako'y nagpapasalamat muli kay Julie for taking time out. Salamat masyado, Julie. Talagang maasahan ka, no? Um, and gusto kong ulitin na ang pag-aaral ay isang walang katapusang biyahe na walang nauubos na tanawin. Ayan. Or learning is a never-ending journey with
Yes,
limitless
correct.
vistas. Good
Correct.
day.